Hi, I'm Justin. Good morning. Today is Thursday, December 3rd. It is a shop day. It's going to be a full build day. But I wanted to kind of show off what I've been working on because I haven't been filming too much over the last week. But here are a couple of doors that I'm installing tomorrow. This is a set of bypass double doors. A little more modern look. So it's got like the shiplap kind of stack on the wood. This is like a charcoal or a graphite gray stain. I think it turned out great. I did aluminum siding because they wanted it wrapped in metal. So I did aluminum to save a little bit on weight and then painted that with a hammered black. I think they turned out awesome. I'm really excited to see them installed. And then over here, we have a mirror door. I've never done one of these before, but I've just pretty much framed it out. I got the largest door length mirror I could find at Home Depot, and I framed it in and it's glued on there. And on the back is a shiplap pattern. So this is for a bedroom leading to the bathroom. So I'm excited for that. It should be pretty cool to see it all together. Really excited with how it turned out. I think they look awesome. They go in tomorrow. So tomorrow's an install day. I'm doing these along with a couple of floating shelves that I'm working on. Alright, these are the set of shelves I've been working on. I was telling you about having my whole house is a production facility now. Those doors are in our office. These shelves are drying on my front porch because I need the garage today. But to get that nice smooth coat, I use a 50/50 oil-based polyurethane mixed with mineral spirits. It dries pretty quick. The first coat really soaks into the wood. Dries within about 2 hours. My dogs don't like that. It dries in about 2 hours, and you sand it, you do it again, and to get a really good nice coat you need 4 or 5 layers at least. But I do have a side project for today, and that's what this video is really about. It is going to be cutting out a star, or in this case a snowflake, because I thought a snowflake would be cooler. Sorry, my dogs think I'm talking to someone. But last night I started setting up my Christmas decorations, my lights on the outside, and I normally go pretty big. This year I'm keeping it pretty small, but I am doing a light up Christmas tree. It's pretty cool. They're just strands of lights, and they're attached to my Mr. Christmas light simulator. So it has 6 channels. Hey, let me go talk about dogs real quick. Like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I set up my Christmas lights using a Mr. Christmas lights and sound display. I'll include it in the link description below, but it's super easy. You just take regular lights, and there's 6 outlets on it, and it controls each outlet. Super cool. I'll show it off to you. I'll show it off to you now while you can see, because I want you to see the lights when they're all done up tonight. But I have it in this box here. All the outlets are there, and then the controls are here. So I think it plays up to like 20 different songs. It's pretty cool. I have it in this container so that it is waterproof. There you go. So it's waterproof. 20 different songs, and it does all the light things. And so I just have that tree going off that today, and I saved one outlet to do a star. And so I'm going to cut that out on the x-carve today, and I'm going to put lights in it. I'm super excited. I think it's going to turn out cool. So I downloaded a program today. I'm going to set up the x-carve and get that going, let you watch, and then I'm going to stick lights in there. Oh, I guess they heard me. I thought they'd be good. I put on Mariah Carey, All I Want for Christmas Is You. Guess not. Alright, so you saw me just drill a bunch of holes. I just used a Forstner bit and I spaced these out pretty evenly. There's about 90 lights in the strand, and I think this should only be like 70 lights. I didn't count them all, but it's just perfectly sized to fit the bulb through the back like that. And then I'll attach it with hot glue, but I need to get this painted first. Just protect it from the elements. I just finished hot gluing all of the lights in place. I think it turned out pretty cool. I used a whole can of spray paint on it. Just trying to weatherproof it a bit. I did a whole can of white spray paint, and then I also went back with a clear coat, just because it is hardboard and I'm afraid it's gonna warp in the rain or something, but we'll see. I think, can you see it? I think it turned out pretty cool. I'm excited to put it up. I'm not sure how exactly I'm attaching it yet, but there's a little bit of lights left that will help me get it down so I don't have to use such a long extension cord. Well, let's get it up there. So. Alright, after a little bit of trouble, I did get the snowflake installed on top of the roof. So there's a 2x4 with a couple little brackets sticking up that I zip tied the star to, and then that is ratchet strapped onto the top of the roof. So it should be fine. It's not that heavy. I just want it to stay put. I checked everything is functioning correctly, and I'll show you some footage at night when it gets dark. Hope you enjoy.